Edogonium. It is one type of algae, belongs to chlorophyceae class. Edo means swollen structures. Gonium means female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs are in swollen structure called edogonium. Female reproductive organs are in swollen structure. The name is given by swollen structure of female reproductive organs is called edogonium. The edogonium classification. Division Thallophyta. Thallus is present. It cannot differentiate it into root, shoot, and leaves. Called or placed in the division Thallophyta. Subdivision Algae. The thallus is green in color. Thallus is green in color. They are placed in the subdivision of algae and class Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae class algae are dark green in color. Dark green in color. Chlorophyceae algae are dark green in color. And order Edogoniales. Family Edogoniaceae. And the genus is Edogonium. Division Thallophyta. Subdivision Algae. Class Chlorophyceae. Order Edogoniales. Family Edogoniaceae. Now we discussed about the thallus structure. Edogonium thallus structure. Thallus means the algal body cannot differentiate it into root, shoot, leaves, but it is green in color. That part is called thallus. Edogonium thallus structure. See, Edogonium thallus structure is unbranched multicellular structure. Unbranched filamentous multicellular stalk-like structure. Unbranched filamentous made with more number of cells. In Edogonium, mainly two types of cells are present. One is colorless cell. The colorless cell is called basal hold-fast cell. Basal hold-fast cell. It is not in green in color, it gray or brown in color. It mainly helps in the fixing or attaching of the Edogonium thallus on the substrate. It mainly helps in fixation of the thallus on the surface. And above these hold fast cell, long unbranched filamentous structure is present. The long unbranched filamentous structure made with more number of rectangular cells. Some rectangular cells are contains cap-like structures on the terminal part of cells. The cap-like structure cells are called cap cells. And some cells are a normal structure. The vegetative cells are divided into cap cells and normal vegetative cells. Cap cells are contains cap-like structures on the terminal part of cells. In this unbranched filamentous of Edogonium, some cells are swollen in structure. The swollen structure cells are called goniums. The goniums means reproductive organs. The reproductive organs are mainly oogonium. Oogonium is a female reproductive organ of Edogonium. The Edogonium name is given by oogonium structure. Oogoniums are swollen in structure. Here we observed swollen structure. Goniums. Oogoniums are in swollen structure. So these algae are called as Edogonium. Swollen structure reproductive organs are present in the filaments called Edogonium. The swollen structures are mainly oogonium, female reproductive organs. Below the female reproductive organs or below the oogonium, basal cell is present. The basal cell is called suffaltary cells. It present below the oogonium, and some vegetative cells produce antheridium. Some cells are act as antheridium. Antheridiums are the male reproductive organs of the oogonium, and the terminal part of oogonium filament, terminal cell is present, is called apical cell. Mainly, Edogonium contains two types of cells. One is colorless cell. It is only in single cell. It presents at the basal part of filamentous of Edogonium. That cell is called hold fast cell. It is also called basal cell. It mainly helps in fixing of the thallus, fixing of the Edogonium thallus on the substrate. It cannot participate in the photosynthesis. In these hold fast cells, chloroplast pigments are absent. Above the hold fast cells, vegetative cells, reproductive organ cells, and apical cells are present. Vegetative cells are mainly two types. One is normal vegetative cells, and second one is cap vegetative cells. Cap vegetative cells containing cap-like structures on the terminal part of vegetative cell. These vegetative cells are called cap cells because presence of cap-like structures on the terminal part of cell called cap vegetative cell. And some cells are in normal condition, they called normal vegetative cells. And some cells are swollen in structure, they called reproductive organs, mainly oogonium. The female reproductive organs are in swollen structure. Below the oogonium or below the swollen reproductive organ, suffaltary cells is present. And in this filament, some zones are above the oogonium. Some cells are act as a antheridia. Antheridium is a male reproductive organ of oogonium. And the terminal part of filament is called apical cell. It is a thallus structure. See, we identified true oogonium. See children, it is the true Edogonium filaments under the electron microscope. See, these are swollen in structure. Some cells are rectangular, they called vegetative cells. But some cells are in swollen structure. The swollen structure cells are called oogonium. Oogoniums means the female reproductive organs of the Edogonium called oogonium. The oogonium name is given by these structures only. Oogonium is in swollen structure. Oedogonium. Edo means swollen structure. Gonium means reproductive organs. The swollen structure reproductive organs are present in the filament is called oedogonium. The oedogonium name is given by only the swollen structure of female reproductive organs is called oedogonium. Now, next we discussed about the cell structure. See, single cell structure of oedogonium. The single cells are in rectangular structure. They are covered with cell wall. Cell wall mainly made with cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin chemicals. See, from these three layers of cell walls, outer layer is made with pectin. The pectin chemical layer of cell wall cannot dissolve in the water. So oedogonium cell walls are rough in touch. When we touch the oedogonium thallus, the oedogonium thallus surface look like a rough touch. The rough touch made with only pectin outer layer of cell wall. Pectin outer layer of cell wall. Below the cell wall, a thin plasma layer is present. The plasma layer mainly made with phospholipids and protein chemicals. It present below the or beneath of the cell wall. And below the plasma membrane, one large reticulated chloroplast is present. Only one large reticulate chloroplast is present. That large reticulated chloroplast containing net-like structure means reticulate structure. The reticulate chloroplast contains chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B pigments. So these are dark green in color. These are participated in photosynthesis to prepare food material. And corners of these reticulate chloroplast, dot-like structures are present. The dot-like structures are called pyrenoids. The pyrenoids are the main parts of the chloroplast. They are mainly helps in storage of starch. Chloroplast prepare food material by the photosynthesis. Excess starch food material is stored in pyrenoids. Pyrenoids are present on the corners of the chloroplast. And in this cell wall, in this cytoplasm, one large nucleus is present at the corner. The large nucleus is haploid in condition. And in this cell, in cytoplasm, a large vacuole is present. Around the vacuole, reticulate chloroplast are present. The vacuoles are mainly helps in excretory organs of the cell. And the remaining cell organelles also present in the cytoplasm. That cell organelles are Golgi operators, endoplasmic reticulums, mitochondria, ribosomes. These all types of cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. See, on the terminal part of cell, on terminal part of some cells, caps like structures are present. If the cap like structures are present on the terminal part of cell, that vegetative cells are called cap cells. See, in the filaments also we observed cap cells. The cap cells containing cap-like structures. See, the caps indicates to the cell participated in the number of cell divisions. See here it is how many caps? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 caps are present in this cap cell. That caps indicates it present in the 4 times of cell division. See, based on the caps number, the cell participated in the number of divisions. Here it is 4 caps are present. That cells are participated in the 4 times of cell divisions. Some cells are in normal condition, they call normal vegetative cells. It is a edogonium cell structure. It is a edogonium cell structure.